Hello everyone, I am back with my product Empties. I like to do this product Empties video because there's no way for me to share everything I use by making like video for individual products. So product Empties is a chance for me to share some product that I may not have had a chance to make a video on. So let's get to it. These two right here that I've used up, these are by the African Pride Moisture Miracle Detangle and Conditioning Pre-Shampoo. I made a video on these and I'll link it above. Great products. The Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil. It's such in a big jar. I finally used it up. I did like this big wide opening because all my hand could get in there as it was getting lower. Good products. Shea Moisture African Black Soap Dandruff Control Shampoo. This is a really good shampoo and I've mentioned this several times. This shampoo is really good for my scalp. Shea Moisture Co-Wash Conditioning Cleanser. I really hated this product. It doesn't do anything for my hair and it doesn't even have enough product in it for 2 uses. St. Ives Soothing Oatmeal Shea Butter Body Wash. My favorite body wash. Soap and Glory Body Wash, awesome product. Shea Moisturizing Shampoo by Gazy Body Essential. It is a really good product. Gazy Body Essential Avocado Deep Treatment. I really love this conditioner. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This was really good, especially when my hair was feeling dry and weak. It was a really conditioner to strengthen my hair back up. Talia Waji Protective Mist Body Fire for hair. It's a really good, I use it as a leave-in conditioner and as a refresher. Loved it. Salon Proven Suave Professional. It was just an okay product. I bought it because it was on sale, but I'm not going to repurchase this. It's by Adore Botanical. I really love this oil and it came in like the cutest little black bottle ever. And this came in a curl kit. So I really love this product. Very light, very lightly scented. It was really good on my scalp, on my hair. I haven't been able to find it again, but if I do find it, I would definitely repurchase. H2 Ocean. This is a product that I got at Natural Hair Transplant Clinic when I got my hair transplant done. This was like a really good product. I wish I could find this product on the shelf somewhere. I would like incorporate it in my hair routine. It's the H2 Ocean Spray. Excellent. It's just like you're spraying water to your hair, but it is so refreshing. Clinique Take the Day Off. This is a really good product. I have enjoyed using it. I did find a cheaper product. The Pond Cold Cream is the exact same dupe as this product, which I'm using right now, so I'm not gonna go and repurchase this. Dove Body Moisturizer that I got from Dollar Tree. Both of them are all used up. Very moisturizing. Love it on my skin. The St. Ives Blackhead Clearing. This is a good exfoliator for my skin. I'm always buying this. Asepsia. I did get this from Dollar Tree and it was a really good facial cleansing bar. The Too Faced Born This Way, the Jackie Aina collection. I did get it because I wanted to try it. I wanted to jump on the Jackie Aina bandwagon. It's okay product for me. It's nothing wow. I'm still using it. As a matter of fact, I use it almost every day to go to work. Facial cleansing wipes. These are always good. I always get them from the Dollar Tree. They're always $1 each. And that's all what I'm going to spend on the face wipes. And then I did use up these 2 powder thingies. This is by CoverGirl Queen Collection. And this one is by, I believe this is by Revlon. I can't remember, but I'm not going to repurchase just because I would like to try other beauty products. 2 pencils by Jordana. I always like to purchase Jordana pencil. I really love them. They work really good on my eyebrows and lips. And that's it for my Empties video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.